In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me insert pictures. First, click or tap somewhere on the page before inserting the image. You may notice that the insert options could be grayed out if your cursor is not active in the note. This is especially common on tablets and phones. By tapping the page, you activate the cursor, allowing you to proceed with inserting images. It is a simple yet crucial step. Ensuring your cursor is active makes a significant difference in your ability to use OneNote effectively. This small action can save you from frustration later on. Next, make sure you are using the correct menu for inserting images. On Windows, navigate to the Insert menu and click on Pictures, then choose from File. This will open a dialog that allows you to browse your files and select an image. If you are on an iPhone or iPad, the process is slightly different. First, tap the page to ensure your cursor is active. Then tap the camera icon and select from Library. Using the correct menu is vital because it directs OneNote to the right location for the images you want to use. This clarity in navigation helps streamline your workflow. Now check OneNote's permissions on your device. If OneNote does not have access to your photos, it will be unable to insert images. On mobile devices, this means verifying that both photo and camera access are enabled. You can usually find these settings in your device's privacy settings. This step is important because it ensures that OneNote has the necessary permissions to function correctly. Without these permissions, you will continue to face limitations when trying to insert images. After verifying permissions, if you are using a stylus or are in drawing mode, switch back to typing mode and try inserting the image again. Many users have discovered that pictures cannot be inserted while OneNote is in draw mode. To switch modes, look for the option in the toolbar and select typing mode. This transition is crucial because drawing mode is designed for sketches and annotations, not for inserting images. This small adjustment can help you return to your work seamlessly. Next up, consider updating OneNote to the latest version. Microsoft has acknowledged problems with inserting online pictures in certain versions of OneNote. By keeping your application updated, you ensure that you have the latest features and fixes. To check for updates, go to the App Store or Microsoft website and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Staying current with updates is essential for maintaining app functionality and performance. Finally, if the problem continues, restart OneNote or consider reinstalling the app. Sometimes a simple restart can clear any temporary glitches that may be causing issues. If that does not resolve the problem, uninstalling and then reinstalling the app can reset it to default settings. It will also ensure that you have a fresh copy of OneNote. This step can be a bit of a hassle, but it is often effective in fixing persistent issues. Following these steps, you should be able to insert images into OneNote without any problems. Remember that taking the time to troubleshoot will save you headaches in the long run. Good luck and happy note-taking!